Hello, beautiful people. It's Karen. I hope you are having a sublime day. Let's talk about what we do with all those extra herbs that we sometimes have sitting around when we've bought herbs for one dish. And now we've made the dish and we've got all these extra herbs sitting around. We know that if we don't use them soon, they're going to go bad. When that happens, I make a harissa. Harissa is an amazing sauce because it goes with just about any protein. It goes with protein burgers, it goes with your chicken, it goes with fish, it goes with beef, chicken, anything you'd like. It is an amazing condiment to add to. So when I've got extra herbs, that's what I do. So let's go take a look at what we need to make this harissa. Now sometimes harissas are red, but this is going to be a spicy green harissa. What you need to make this harissa is a cup of cilantro. You know you've typically got a ton of extra cilantro because it comes $3 for $1 and you typically never need that much cilantro. So 1 cup of cilantro, you need a half a cup of parsley, you need about 2 to 3 green onions, you need a couple cloves of garlic, and you'll need some type of spicy pepper. You can use jalapeno, you can use serrano, you can use whatever it is you've got. I am actually using 1 hot banana pepper and 1 serrano pepper. You'll need, as I said, a couple cloves of garlic. You'll need the juice of 1 lemon. You will need a teaspoon of cumin. If you've got actual cumin seeds and you want to use those, toast those off first and then toss them in the blender and bring them to a fine powder before you add the rest of your mixture. You'll need a half cup of olive oil to 3/4 cup. You just toss all of this either in your food processor or a high-powered blender and you've got your harissa. You want to toss all of your ingredients into your food processor or high-powered blender, and you want to add your olive oil and a bit of salt and puree this until it's smooth. So the consistency you want is nice and smooth, just as I've shown. When you're looking for something to do with those extra herbs that are sitting around in your fridge, don't throw them away. Make an amazing harissa. The flavors are vibrant and bright and pop with all of those fresh herbs. So make the harissa, pair it with any of your proteins, and enjoy. Hello, beautiful people. It's Karen. I hope you have enjoyed my recipe for spicy green harissa. If you have, please hit the subscribe button so that you never miss another one of my videos. Until we meet again, think sublime thoughts.